Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can do the backtracking in the Talkie app. So let's get started. So here I will just open my Talkie app as you can see here. Okay. So to do the backtracking, it is very easy. You can just go to the chat section. So here you have to see for the chats whichever you have looking for. So for example, I am going with these. Okay, so at here you can see there is some like chatting. Okay, as you can see I've done. So for example, you have chatted like previous day about something and you want to like know the bot to recap that chat, and you can directly like type it here and recap it. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and also it is very easy to do it. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. And also thank you for watching till last.